Please don't be dead. I messed up. I messed up. Okay. Yeah. People waiting for an answer. Somehow over the horizon. Come on. Oh, that's... Number 2. They were the last one, so the whole team, that's why it said 5 people. They were doing it to try to draw me out to think they were fighting. Oh, solo squad is so weird. Oh my god. Well, I got 8 kills and I did what I wanted. All I really wanted was this. I would want that too, but I'll wait till tomorrow. And there's this. Thank you. And there's this. That's what I wanted. This is a bonus. This is what we've all, what I've been waiting for. Don't trust a crate. Oh, of course, that's all I get. Of course. Can I level you up at all? No. The only thing I'd get was a kill effect. Loot crate's what I want. Look at it. Perfect for season. The levels. This one I kind of like. I like the sniper rifle on this. Very cool. Because I like this. That look on the ultimates. It's really good. Sadly, there's no PGM Hecate in this. PGM Hecate 2 or 50. I don't know if the AWM the would be a 50 cal. I'm not sure. I don't know much. Oh, my voice is really annoying right now. Oh well. I honestly don't even know if you guys can hear me. In all my other videos, there's no sound, and I'd love this. The Car 98 especially. And it has this little good thing on the building. Whatever, phone percentage, whatever. Loot crate, last. Go first. And then the full surprise. So I never get what that's supposed to do. Is it supposed to, like, come at you? Like, anyone else that picks it up, it's supposed to, like, hurt you? I don't know. Why do these ones look... okay. Yeah, these ones look different. This one is more red, and this one is dimmed down. Okay. Whatever. Oh, hello. Yeah, but this is the one I have. That. If you're watching this, I'm pretty sure you already know all of these. Doesn't matter much. I just... yeah. Anyways, let's move to Clash of Clans. I don't care about that. Ooh. Ooh. I got bested. Honestly, yes, obviously it is a rush to base. It's basically a max Town Hall 8 on Town Hall 11. Which is what I upgraded from. Honestly. So, yeah, not the best. Not the best. Not the worst. But not the best. This is max. This was max. This is just new. I just got this a couple days ago. Like 2 days ago. Is when it finished upgrading. It was a Max Builder Hall 5. This is the Max Builder Hall 5 layout. I just added this stuff over here. Honestly, I don't want to rush, but I'm thinking I might do it because I need those. Honestly, I can't record this. I know how to do these battles mainly. Ow. Ow. That's exactly what this guy did. He rushed the same way I was planning to. Kind of. I don't know. He's gonna go down before I get to use the skill again, isn't he? No! That's all I rely on. This guy's base is pretty good. And, of course, I didn't zoom out the one time I record. I don't zoom out. Maybe they don't want the answer, 'cause they're scared. Fuck, don't... He did this last time, too. I mean, the least I can say is this thing's going down. It has to. But it won't. Or it will. It will. It will. Yes. Yes. Yes! He didn't get 100! That's all I want. Honestly, I don't care if I win at this point. Right now, anyways. Yeah, I'm pretty evened out on wins and losses. As you can see, I'm currently upgrading this, what I don't notice is if you look at the face on the Master Builder, it looks like there's an outline, like like a beard. Like it looks like he's wearing like a mask or something. Not like, no, like his face is real, but he's wearing. I don't know how to describe it.